Stumbling block in my life, them no want to strive. One day at a time, Jah give more blessing. Even in abundance, sorry, ain't got nothing, still I call for me king. It's more blessing. Give thanks, life, loot, and for represent the mindset.
Blessed love, manners, and respect. Do give thanks and praise for life. This is the Mindset Program. I just started your host, and I'm here. It's a great honor to be here with the Honorable Muta Warieka.
Yeah, man, give thanks, man. Rastafari.
Yes, I give thanks. First and foremost, I want to congratulate you on your lifetime achievement.
I respect.
Yes.
But we don't get it yet.
We don't get it yet.
No, it's 24th.
The Mindset, thought-provoking. I'm your host, Honorable Ida Star, and we're there with our brand new Mindset series live on the YouTube. Subscribe, Ida Star Mindset channel, YouTube. Blessed love.
International dance hall
Blessed love, blessed love, blessed love.
Nearly a decade for a murder he claims he did not commit.
Yeah, that's not what we're featuring, Zin. So, yeah, so alright, blessed love, manners, and respect. As they them can say, it's Warieka TV alongside I Just Started the Mindset, and it's a great honor to have the item on board. You don't know, I want to greet the item officially in the divine name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie the First, Empress Menen the First. One welcome in those beautiful and divine name, and we're there. First of many, Zine, we're there with Warieka TV. Blessed love, my brother. Manners and respect.
Manners and respect.
Yes, I. Good for see the man, my lad.
Yes, I. Give thanks, man. See you here, man.
Yes, I. Yeah, man. Great for, you know, if you can collaborate like this, you know what I mean? Bring the two channel them together in a sense then of unity, you know? For
yeah, man.
the betterment of I and I people still.
Yes, I.
Yes.
Yes, I.
Yes, Warieka. One welcome, and the people them know the I and the people them know I and I. You see me, I say most you know, the people them who follow both I and I channel simultaneously, you know what I mean?
Yes,
they tune into everything where I go on, and so still you see it. So, you know, great for you know, there with the man. You see me, I see, and we can bring the fans them together and make the fans them know say, you know, ultimately unity is our greatest strength, and you know, it's good that we can, you know, collaborate like this, you know what I mean?
Yeah, man. Groundbreaking, you know, can be an example to some, you know?
Selassie,
a positive
you know.
example.
Yes, I. Positive example, my lad. Yes, as people know how I and I will deal with our thing when we're there. Zine, and the same way we are going to deal with it. You know, we're not going to give them nothing less than what them expect. You see me, I say? Yeah. So, a whole lot of things we say are going out there, Zine, over the last few days and thing and all still. You see?
Yeah.
The I did I tell them about the new rules what them are bringing in a Jamaica in terms of the COVID business.
Yeah, some new lockdown rules, you know, where you don't know. It's like them change the hours on a certain date, and the amount of people we can gather. You know what I say? That change up again. Because I basically like a 15 people to a wedding and 10 people to a funeral and them thing there. Again, I don't know how much it did adjust in a recent time when them would pull it up, when them would open it up a bit. You get what I say?
Okay, see it for real. For
But
real.
my confusion is, you know, what the root of that? Because everybody else not free up.
You say who else kind of free up, you know, so why Jamaica still in that?
Yeah, it's the state of confusion, state of lockdown there. You see, I don't see anything or change anything really. It's not like from this thing I start to come up with any major discovery where it really create any significant change. Yet still the people still are, you understand me? Even though it's a touchy subject, it's a subject where you can't ask no question about and things like that. You know, see, at one point me that check say, in my confusion, the variant would be less effective, not as effective as the original strain. You get what I say?
Yeah.
But no, it's like the most serious thing happened since the whole thing. You understand what I say?
Mutation.
So, you know, so it's a whole heap of confusion still regarding the whole thing. And our people are moved steadfast towards certain dyad rule where no exists nowhere else. So we have suffer the same struggle. You know, see it?
For real. Well, it look like you have people that say, boy, ones that go against people who are expert in the fields. Then, you know, them are dismiss the type of information where them are put out there, see, and them are real expert in the field. So, me don't know why the agenda still when you really check it out.
You see, everything gets classified these days as fake news. You know? Even your honest, genuine concern.
It's fake news.
Try show a concern about something where you really truly concerned about to get classified as fake news. Nobody don't really know. Because again, everybody, no, you don't have any perfect analysis throughout this whole thing.
For real.
Everybody, even the learned man, them come up with make some serious mistake. To the learned leader, they make some serious mistake as well.
True.
All of them make mistake. You know, see. So, I mean, that leave the people, it always leave the people open to ask questions. And if you don't have a reputation of being, say, for instance, always open, you go and find question. You get what I say?
Yeah, man.
Our politicians them worse at Jamaica. England it worse. America it worse. Are the same thing. The politicians them have this cloud of dishonesty. Especially even in regard to that. For instance, one case, for instance, you'd have some picnic over here where them they do some blood transfusion with them when them are way back in the early days. And when they checked out, the whole of them catch AIDS. See? No, them the suspects say, from the blood transfusion, them catch AIDS. See? It take the authorities, like, when enough of them are big man, when all of them dead off, most of them dead off, and, you know, them are big grown man now, old man. Before the authorities admit, say,
reveal
it was
information there.
Yeah, you get what I say? So it leaves people have to be wary. People always, them things, and a recent history, them things I'm going to tell you about.
So what I say, there is a possibility that where we see her go on, you know, later on down in our life, them could have said, boy, you know, say this was a mistake and rare, and you know what I mean, and we're going to have to pay out a whole for people, millions and trillions.
No, them not pay out the millions of that because them done sign that out of the thing already. You get me? I say?
True.
Nobody can get sued for that. That's our next thing again. Me I sell you a car, me make a car and sell you the car And when me take your money, me I tell you, say watch. You know me get the car free, brother. Me I tell you, say watch. You see, if you're a driver go down the motorway and the car, you just find yourself, the car just shell out. You know, see, that you find yourself a drop on the asphalt. Me not responsible for nothing, you know. You're there on your own. See, brother, you're not buy the car. You're not driving, right?
You drive what? You not drive that.
You just see it. You make something, you create something, it's like you stake you put your money where your mouth is. No.
Yeah, because you have some assurance of what really are going on. You say, I want to tell you, I want to give you detail, yo, these, say you have to go change the carburetor later, or, you know what I mean, the wishbone, you have to go keep your eye on it, or the brake pad, them need changing, you know what I mean? You know exactly where you're there.
Yes, that's that. You know, see. So I just limit the concern there. Like me I say, we don't know where the fake news are come from. We not telling a lot. Me is a man suspicious them way, you know. Me is a man where I think say the same people them. I just a one.
I say man of them say one man.
Yeah, so one concern, because same people that we are sending.
Them
I just one news.
Yeah,
you
man.
See, one source.
Yeah, man. Them control, man. Them have all of them platform, you know. Them own the platform, you know. You see me, I say? So,
yeah.
we know, say, them a control the thing, them, my lord. Nobody else.
Yes, sir.
You see me?
You see, but like we said, poor people are not stupid still. You know, see, again, you see, just like me, a whole heap of prediction and a whole heap of assumption that got us to where we are today. You know, see, mostly assumptions and predictions, and the same people them did hear them to everybody did hear them, and everybody still remember them. You know, see, and still I wait for a lot of them assumption there, them well-learned assumption there for play out. You know, see, so we'll just go and hope and pray same way, you know, give thanks to the Most High, cause we're there. No.
Watch and pray. Watch and pray.
Right.
Yeah, I be things that go on, man, but. You know, in a Jamaica still, when you really check it out, and I like foreign, like England then, where you know so the people due to the situation you have certain things put in place now, like monetary wise now, where you have like what them call it over here so now.
You mean like the black people food bank up there, so we have beer Caribbean product in it? Where them get that for free if you give a Rasta?
No, but in England, them have a different thing for the people who not work due to
but we just
whole thing.
We don't have the food bank. Can you imagine if our brother and sister that were Jamaica they have a food bank up at the end of the road?
Rasta.
Where they could have walked up.
Yeah.
Weekend and say, you know, see.
Yes, as a basic, not even the Tolo.
As a basic, not even you know, see, general.
Yeah, for real. Not even that them now. Well, the man them say I throw the people them sell rice and chicken back and them thing that why the thing are spread around the place. So I don't know.
Brother, from this I go on till now, that I go on rice and chicken back and sell and I go on. All the people them way buy it now catch it. People, I just poor people can only spread it, but them can't really, them not dead off from it to look like.
We don't know.
No, I'm not. So them not dead, so we not too hear about it. So we don't know. We don't know. Probably through them poor, we must not too come on the thing. You saw what I say?
They say them not publicize them ones.
It's the or them characterize the thing initially. We are look so well then. But we hear say somebody in another house they have it, or in another yard they have it. The other yard there, everybody else were in there. Fence off and we just wait for ambulance to come take them out one when they reach a stage there. You see? But we still have see one person out of the family just catch it and go do what them a do. Either stay with them there, come back. And the rest of the family just do the same way.
Like say nothing never go on.
Yes, so we don't know, cause remember if you touch something, you know, and them little thing, if you talk, you know, and them little way there. You see, and we not, it's like, brother, you hear me? When I say Kartel go some up and release a price smoke when they because when they want to do it for them thing and them come trap we in them ism skis with the general. You don't see it. You don't see it. Because poor people don't eat that. Everybody out the road on me talk to them on a certain way of the land. You don't see it. So, you know, just leave them with that, make them go on, do with them. You don't see it. Yeah, man, but come like Kartel make communication the other day with General.
We do.
With the news media over America.
So them not say them a do a probe investigation in how him get how that interview they get for done.
But I wonder how much that probe they gonna cost, you know. You know, see.
Look.
We can tell them all that happen for free and them not have to blow clean spend none of the taxpayer money. They talk about them all go do probe. I hear that them take people for, you know.
Yes. Fool them at the people them for.
Yeah. A fool them tell the people for. Listen to this, my brother. Fox News knows that them involved in a criminal, them involved in a breaking a Jamaican local law. You understand what I say? If that's the case. See? So Fox News supposed to, without any prejudice, offer up the file, then the date and time and everything. I want to know the two police who are on duty or whatever. We are not need that, Rasta. You don't need a rocket science brain for work that out unless them can't talk to Fox News now. Well, you see, that is a different kettle of fish.
But why them would I want to talk to Fox News? Cause Fox News them a do them journalistic work in it. So however them get for them information or or them get for them, the source of how them probably not gonna reveal that, you know what I mean, to whoever want to investigate.
Probably not. Probably not. And probably Jamaica not have enough pull for even ask them to do that if them want, even if them could or would.
But
me
did I say earlier though, if them are going to investigate that, how them never did I investigate all of the songs them were put out previously prior this interview. You see me I say? Because obviously it would have been against the law to said way where you couldn't record in a prison. So I don't know. And a whole platoon get release. Even album out now. So how them never did I investigate them there and I send a probe into in that.
You see them could have easily, what them I try do you now, yeah, is I two things must go on, You see what them I try though is is the same thing will happen. Because them that try censor communication with him and Fox News. Because I remember just after Fox News do the piece spanning, they move him though.
Okay, the first piece there.
Yeah. See?
Yeah, man.
So it come like a that, let me that try prevent. Because we know say a open knowledge say them thing there. And video are running a prison, all of them thing there. You know what I say?
Mm.
So it's a place where them carry them going now like with a reputation them a try. You know, like a PR stunt, like because them a claim say 2 policemen there at the door, a guard him, so he can't get no access to nothing, or a policeman.
So no must them 2 policemen, man. Half because, you know what I mean? Or then. It would have to be
Brother,
them 2 of them there.
a vibes Kartel that no Rasta, and a Jamaica that tonight.
Oh yeah,
Me
of
say
course.
that I could have superintendent there, man. The man is that. You have them type of people in the system, man.
Yeah, we are talking about, man. For the money around, man, we are talking about. No man not turn down the money, man. Him job not bigger than the money. Him not really. Him a grab that. Him a hug up that with him foot and him and them.
Yes. Our leader them spend more money in cleaning up them type of thing. Probably to the cost less to prevent them type of embarrassment. Yeah. You know what I say?
Mm-hmm.
Probably to the cost. But again, a man being in a prison in this day and age without like
But
them sort of access to phone outside. We don't know how that not acceptable either.
them say it's like a contraband, like herb or
No, but
drug.
Jamaica it said that the prisoner should have provide communications for prisoner man everywhere in the world that exists.
Mm-hmm.
You have a time when you can go make a phone call and talk for a certain period to people. You know, see it.
So you say it was one of them time them get him phone call and him just go deal with that thing.
No, I say them resource then are dead.
Okay.
The Jamaican prisoner.
Rasta.
So, but automatically it has become like a human right to other prisoners across the world.
Mm.
So essentially it's like a kind of brutal type of regime. Compared to the rest. Prison. You know, see, in terms of facility and one them type of thing that will offer to prisoners rehabilitation. You know, see. So you just go for sure how backwards Jamaican prison system is.
Rasta. Sound terrible.
Terrible. Now watch out now, General. Me and you can openly admit, say, English prison more secure and less corrupt than Jamaica prison. What do you think?
Why? I don't know. To be honest, I don't know. Probably.
We got the 2 of them, man. I tell you, say English prison more secure and less corrupt. The officer them harder for corrupt than Jamaican.
You said Jamaica easy to get corrupt.
Yeah, man. The ward of them. But nonetheless, mobile phone in an English prison same way and contraband in an English prison same way too.
So you see the man them a use drone and a fly over drugs and phone and all of them things them man in the prison yard, man. Serious.
You see, so them it is not when our leader them make it look like them need special commission and inquiry to go investigate how Kartel get phone. It's like you just have to try to protect your ego, man. You know, see.
No, well, you know, so when me look on that thing, me just feel say them embarrass themselves by even say them are going to investigate that, you know.
Yeah.
You see me, I said them should have just make that go on because it's an entertainer.
That
See?
me and some, that me and some
Who want
general.
question it. You understand? But we not do nothing. The
Yeah.
thing gone out there already, and what we are gonna do now?
Yeah.
What we are gonna do? Cause once we start to investigate, because we embarrassed. And I said, boy, who bet that fly? Who do that? Who responsible? You see me, I say? Because
Yeah.
we superior them up there, so you know, them boy there in England and America to said way where them have them Jamaican heads of government, the states, man, I want to deal with. Them things they want to make a go on and make prisoner I do big interview on so them just draw attention to themselves by say boy them are going to investigate that. It just look embarrassing, man.
Yeah. Cause watch it. Something I'm observing, my brother. It's just before the move vibes Kartel. It's like the year before the move and throughout the year, them general. Yo, the man did a drop some tune, some 1 and 2 tune in between. That's so you know where them sound troublesome. You see what I say? Them sound troublesome. And if him did really get the chance for manifest, I said, well then, you know me, I say if him did get for start, push out. If he come, I feel like instead of observe say that you kind of get too grounded, you know. I'm not telling a lie because I push out a couple tune the Rasta way. When I tell you say, them tune that sound like you can listen to. Can I listen to them? And then a bad man tune, you know, see them tune they chat to youth and you know, see it.
Inspirational. Reality song.
Sir. Yeah. You know, see it. So I wonder if Mr. Man look at Mr. Man just look at it say, hey, you see them no want him start meds with the youth them the right way. Because Babylon benefit from the culture that we are going, that murder culture that we are going in Jamaica, you know, my brother.
Yeah. Real talk. Real talk, my lad. But there I said, man.
Babylon benefit, man. You know, see it. You know, see it. So, you know, them no want the youth them start ask certain questions. Because if you them start ask certain questions, them have to go deep in them pocket, you know, to answer them questions there, you know see me? Enough of them think they are simple fix.
For real. For real, my lad. But I owe them set the thing, don't it? I owe them set the thing, you know. You see me?
Yeah.
I owe them set the thing, my lad. So them know what them are do. But you know the interesting thing is, cause he must say, boy, I frame him, you know. See? So if them frame him and them him say, boy, them did call him up at King's house there. And I tell him, say, boy, him need to stop do them type of song because them is misleading the youths them.
Yeah.
See? So,
Yeah.
obviously, where I say, you know, them take him off of the street, you know, Zine, because him never did adhere to what them did I say. Zine. But I know just him alone I do songs like that, like them there.
Yeah, but you see now, here want me now, you see him would have a, you see, no, so me I do some features on some old time gangsters. You know see, and when I try show the youth them say, is that so them youth did have a cause. You know fight for them youth that have politics on their mind. Them they want political change for Jamaica and they get to youth them. You know see. So that's the youth I know, so when them a run up and down and a go on with a joke, and that's the one of them a kid off and them a do Babylon work for them for free. You know, see, it at the same thing come up to in a early 90s, no, late 90s. See, you find that Zeeks and Dudus are run downtown, my brother. See, you see the Dan them, the so-called Dan them in a Jamaica, eh? Yeah, you brother?
Yeah, man, me I hear the eye, man. Yeah, man, yes, man. Zeeks and Dudus, man.
The Dan them, they get back far more influential than the politician them in the 90s, early 2000s in a Jamaica.
See that?
Far more influential than the politician them. See?
Them did not gravitate to the people and more.
The people them gravitate to them more.
More. True. Yes,
The
sir.
Dan them usually put in minister in a position, man, and put in and take out. Remember, minister come for Tony Brown, man, for following up and campaign, man a campaign like a Tony Brown a campaign Rasta. You know, see. So you see, after a while, the man them realize, cause me, PG himself say, you have to get rid of the Dan when they're not with the Dan there. You know, see?
See it.
And the man them start get rid of them, start. Particularly, it start happening after Zeeks and Dudus lock off downtown when the policeman take with Zeeks weed and Zeeks got take it to a back for him and shot him in back. You know, see? And then them come arrest Zeeks and Dudus. Garden and Spanglers unite for the first time in our history. Both parties of Jamaica shook.
You see
Both
that?
PNP and the GLP shook at two of the biggest enemy them there. Two of the biggest opposition fighting force them there in a Kingston, my general.
And two so-called criminals bring the people them together.
Together.
Rasta.
You know, see it. And Babylon see it. All me see it. And as a youth, me see it and me I say, yo, I hit this car. Them time there, Natty and revolution.
Straight.
Yeah. So when you see it, I say, wait, a war going. Rasta observe the whole thing even deeper than the people them were out there dealing with it. You know, see. And you see, from that, you don't know. You start here certain like Chinese whisper, certain like whisper, and things like that. And you know, say, come like say, a man for themselves, you know. You see, then them start finding out, start feeling. You know what I say? Yeah, not entirely isolated, but, you know, things just are tight again. You see? And Vibes Kartel and Movada come with the same thing.
See.
Because we're not going to go into the details how Zeeks and Dudus meet for them thing. You see, because it's well public. And we don't want like we are debate it or like we are try justify or see nothing.
No, well, the man them do what them a do already and people know who them is already. You see me I say, we don't have to justify nothing. You see me I say, everything done there out there still.
Yeah, but it's still kind of suspicious to me from my vantage point how this gating come in at Zeeks, the allegation where them say. You know, me a man say a true. Me a man where, big man where me, you know, rate say, yeah, true. But me know him never did that night. Me know him never did that night. I mean, I look on the facts so well then, you know, more than like, I can't him alone. I don't know how that would be possible and why that would be necessary if you stay like that you know the ramification of that being found out in the ghetto. Seeing yet, you are going to do that to a man where you have to kill in the ghetto with you and everybody has sick. And a man must have sick that are going. That means there's someone them know all along and not say nothing. You see,
If that is the case.
Yeah, if that are the case. You see. And again, warm the wider public. You don't want a guy who don't want them thing to get out. So you're not gonna run the risk.
Rumors start spread, but it's funny how them type of rumors then now start to spread when him there behind bars.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, that man look fun, man.
Yeah,
so
when
all
him
of
there behind.
them things that possible, you know, but them still far-fetched. You see? So
True.
we have to observe them things, because we know the power where them pull, and we know, say, a city Kingston, them with control. We not ask that. You see? We not ask that, my general. I mean, the downtown part of city Kingston, at least, the capital. You see? Shortly after that, I do this thing. See? Movado and Vibes Kartel again. So it is the influence that is most threatening to any man of influence.
You
say the biggest threat to
the government.
Yeah, in a Jamaica Rasta. Any man of influence.
Yeah, it's a serious thing.
Vibes Kartel have an argument. He have a case when him said that, because it you know what I say?
So, but
Yes.
if him, this are the thing when me always ask, you know, from me see this thing go on and, you know, whole part Peter come out and thing. But if him not guilty of this thing, then, you know, who would it be that would have framed him? Is it because the interesting thing in a way, I said, you know, is that him get called to King's house and, you know, him get specific orders, say, boy, yo, stop do them sign. So I don't know if the people them up a King's house would have, you know, would have do something like that, you know what I mean? I don't know. Because a whole artists we say get set up over the last couple of years.
Brother, the people them up at King's house. And the people up at King's house are the Green Bay killing you. You don't want to. Them confront them admit it, and we say.
Yes, yeah, them say.
And we say. You see, and them admit it. But JDF soldier shoot on the man them on the beach over there.
Yes,
You know, see. So we can't put nothing past them people there. See?
True.
We can't put nothing past politics in a
True,
Jamaica, right?
True.
See?
True. You know, say, I could take a little intermission, my people, Zane, and we are going forward on the rebound. You don't know, say, the program powered by Black Star International Media, Zane, and we have large up Black Star International Media over there in Houston, Texas, Zane. Also, the mindset Roots, Zane. This program is powered by the Mindset Roots. So we are going for a short commercial break. For the first, they them are tuning in on the platform. They them could hit the subscription bell and tune in both to Warieka TV and the YouTube here, and also I just started Mindset. So on the rebound, we're there again. We want to say manners and respect. We're there upon the rebound. See?